Hi guys, let me show you this USB-C universal docking station from company Wavlink. They sent me this product for free. They didn't pay me anything, so they sent me this product so I can make one honest review of this product. I was making a little bit research about this, and as you can see, you can use 4K monitors, two of them, with HDMI, or 5K monitors with DisplayPort. You can also use 4K monitor with DisplayPort also. We have over there USB Type-C 3.0 and a lot of things. So let's unpack this and see what we have inside, how this look and everything. Let's open this to see what we have inside. Okay, we have device here. Like I says, we have HDMI DisplayPort, HDMI DisplayPort. So display 1, display 2, USB 3.0, USB-C, power. From another side we have headphones, mic, and 3 USB 3.0 fast USB type A. So what else we have here? We have here USB A to USB-C, nice. We have also Type-C to Type-C. Was this driver download links? Okay, we need to download drivers, some manuals, and on the side we have this power brick. So this power brick will goes here, DC20. So very nice, very small, compact. It will not use a lot of place on your desktop. For example, this is iPhone 15 Pro Max. Look how small this is, not too big, and very nice. So let's open this. Okay, it's really lightweight, it's not heavy, it's not robust. Very nice. 4K plug and display link. So let's go to install this and see what we'll get. So guys, let's see. Like I said, LAN port, DC port, HDMI DisplayPort, HDMI DisplayPort, USB, and USB Type-C. This is host for monitor or computer. 4 USB 3.0, headphones, microphones. So let's plug this in like this, and you need to connect this here. So behind we have one display, second display. We will put this now on HDMI because we don't need DisplayPort, and this one also here. So we have now two HDMI. Let's start this. They are connected. Okay, so when you put the cables, when you provide everything, look how this look nice. So what else we need to use? Let's open this. So you have USB A to Type-C and Type-C to Type-C. You can use it for Macs or something else. I will use this USB A, and you need to provide this Type-C to host. So that means wherever this cable is plugged in, then that will use. So USB type A here. Now let's see now how this will goes. Let's need to start. Okay, we need to turn this on. And it's connected automatically, so you don't need to download some drivers or something like that. It's connected and it's ready to use. So we have here one, this is the main, second here, third here. So let's drag and drop something. For example, it goes here, it goes here. So you can use it easily, there is no problem with anything. So also you can open from here. Let's open. This is my daughter's laptop, so I don't use this. The main thing, an important thing, it's connected automatically. So I am not connected to internet now. Good. So that is how work with Windows PC. Now we will try with Mac and see how this goes. So like you see, everything is flawless. You can change the wallpapers here, here, also here. Every type here, USB 3.2. Let's connect it hard disk to see does this work. Okay, it's open here, so we will drag that here. Very nice. Let's transfer some data just to see how this goes. Just a second. I use the Mac whole time, so right click. I was totally forget how to. Okay, so copy and then paste here. Let's see how this go. It pasted here. There's not enough space. Okay, this is 140 gigabyte video. Let's use something smaller. For example, 3 gigabyte video. Right click, copy, paste. So you see how fast it's go. 4 gigabyte video. It's really fast. So let's say maybe 1 minute, less than 1 minute. So it's really fast. Let's delete this. Good. So let's connect now Mac to see how this is going. So Macbook doesn't have type A, so we need to use type C to type C. So again, connect type C behind, plug it here, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so you don't need to install drivers and anything, everything is prepared. Look, it's look beautiful, beautiful. So let's move it here, everything is like it should be. So look how flawless goes. So you don't need to install drivers, additional anything, but I will leave a link in description if you need driver direct from Wavlink site, so you can download it. So close, open, detect the displays and everything. So as I see, it's really great device. It's really good device. So what is also great, you have 4 USB here, fast. Behind you have also 2 of them more, so you have 6 USBs. Let's say I want to connect wireless. Let's say I want to connect wireless keyboard. Connect one. Connect mouse. Also. Continue. Okay, done. So it's immediately connected. Let's open Chrome. Put it over there. Everything work flawless. So immediately connected. It's really slim. It's great. You don't need to use some additional drivers or something like that, you know. So you have 4 ports, 2 behind. You can connect whatever you want. For example, you want hard disk to put under that. I like this because it's slim. So when you make your setup, everything will goes wherever need. Now it's mess because I was just put it here, but normally you can put it, install it, put the cables behind, make some really great. Just in front, leave these ports for wireless keyboard or something like that. Or so, like I said, everything is nice. Everything looks very nice. So it's already here. Okay. Let's again send some files. Let's see. Four gigabytes. Look how this goes fast. So we have almost under 1 minute it will transfer 4 gigabyte. That is really fast. I transfer a lot of data every day and this is really fast. Perfect. So turn this, eject, and that's all. You are free to go. So my friends, I can highly recommend this device. It's really nice, small, compact. In front, like I said, in front stays four ports. That is very important because wireless system when it goes to the mic and mice and keyboard, it's better than stays behind. You know, you have better latency and everything. So 2 4K display, 5K display, USB 3.0, fast USBs and everything. So really I can recommend this device. So I will put link down there for this in description. I will put link for drivers if you need. As you can see, I just plug in and everything was there, so there is no need to download driver. But if you need, I will leave it in the description. So check the description. I will contact with the company to send me the link where you can buy directly if you are interested. And I hope this video help you to decide in the future, do you need device like this, and do you need especially this device. So one more thing I can highly recommend, and thank you for watching. See you in some another video. Bye.